Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. Today I wanted to show you how to make a few clip art pieces using Affinity Designer. We're going to do these 5 here. So the first one is going to be a star. So we have the star tool here. We're going to just click on it and we'll draw our star here. And then you'll notice up here there's a few different things. We can make it a 5-point star or a multi-point star. I'm going to just keep it at 5. This is the inner radius. You notice what it does here. You can make it go in or out. We're going to pull it out just a little bit here. This outer circle, if we play with that, you'll notice that the corners get rounded here. So I kind of like that. So I'm going to pull it here. And this inner circle, what that does is it kind of brings that in too, so you can have this kind of effect. So we're going to just keep it at 0 here. And that is it. Well, we could probably pull out the radius a little bit. There. Kind of like that. So that will be our star. Alright, let's make the heart next. I'm going to use the pen tool here. I'm going to hold down shift so I can have a 45-degree angle here and do the same, holding down shift here. And I'm going to go to stroke here, the width. You notice I can make it bigger. And there, that's just the stroke. And then what you want to do after you get that nice heart shape is go to layer and expand stroke. And now it's a full heart here. So I'm going to make that a little smaller. And we can color that red here. I like to use the eyedropper tool here. You just click on it and drag it to the color you want, and then you click it again and it will make that red here. So that's the heart. So now let's make this note tool here, a note symbol. I'm going to start with, oh, I still have my stroke on. Let's turn the stroke off here and let's make this black. Alright, so this circle tool, you can make ovals. I'm going to just turn it a little here. And then I'm going to use the rectangle tool. Just make this nice line here. Simple. Now you can make sure that they're aligned by clicking on here, align to the right. And just make sure, let's zoom in so we can see a little better. And this can be a little thinner here. Just want to make it look like a note. There, that's looking good. Let's zoom back out here. And then we'll just copy that by holding down Option and dragging. And then we're going to use the rectangle tool again to put these two together. Connect them. I'm going to zoom in so I can see a little better. And let's match up the lines here. Align them right. We can bring this down. Now if we convert this rectangle to curves, you'll be able to click on each point here. So I'm going to hold down shift and click on these 2 points. And now I can drag these to kind of make like a incline here. That's looking good. I'm gonna pull down the rectangle behind here. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think it's a little thick, the top part. Let's just lift that up here. And that's pretty good. And we'll put it right there next to our sample. All right. Next, I want to show you how to make this paw print. So the paw print's basically 3 circles. So we got the top circle here, and let's put another circle down here, another circle here. Make sure those 2 are aligned. We're just going to bring it down here, and then we're going to combine all of these by using this add. And now what you can do is you can take these corners here and just convert that to this. And the same here. Let's convert it. Here again. So you kind of got that shape going on right there. And then let's use the circle tool again to make finish this paw print off. I'm gonna just turn it a little bit here, and we're gonna make the other one. We can use Option and drag, and this one's just a little smaller, so like that. And then we're gonna copy these 2 and move it here, and then flip them with this flip horizontal. And then let's just kind of move them a little closer together. I think I actually want them bigger, so let's grab it and make them a little bigger here to fit the paw print. There, that's looking good. And you can kind of just play around with it till you feel like it's the right shape. I'm going to put it down here with our paw print. I'm going to squish it down. I'm going to group them and then use this eyedropper tool again to get the right color. Alright, just got one more, the foot pattern here. So those are kind of 2 ovals. So one oval going this way and another oval going this way. Kind of like that, right? Like that. And we'll do the same trick we did with the paw print. We'll combine these 2, this add tool here, and then we'll zoom in and pick up these points and convert it to that. And then same thing here, we'll convert it and we'll pull it out. Kind of take these curved lines, kind of play with them until they look like a footprint here. And then we're going to need 5 toes, so let's make the big toe first. And you're going to just want to turn it like that. And I like to do the little toe next, and then try and fit everything in between. So, and then we'll just copy 2, 3 here, and then just kind of move them around just so we get a nice foot pattern here. So you have the biggest one at the top, which is your big toe, and then the smallest one at the bottom, your pinky toe. That's looking good. And then let's just make them the right size here. Holding down Shift will keep it all proportional. And then we can kind of turn it. And then we're just going to hold down Option and copy it, and then flip it horizontally like this. Just put it up there. Let's make it a little smaller. Grab our eyedropper tool again. Get this color, and then we can color it that same color we wanted. And that's it. There we go. We got 5 clip art pieces, and you didn't have to pay anything for it. These these clip art pieces can be used in designing t-shirts, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to try and do more of these so that you can build up your clip art, get a lot of clip art so that you can use it for your t-shirt designs and just have a lot of them at your disposal. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be showing you more videos in the future. Until next time, thanks. Bye.